Hello everyone, this is Barka Technical Solution and I am Firdaus Rahman. In this video we are going to see how we can use this LDR module to control this light. So just like the previous video that we made with an LDR, this will be almost same, but in this video we are going to use an LDR sensor module instead of just an LDR. So it will make the process a lot of easier. So this will also work the same as like the LDR. So it will measure the amount of light surrounding it, and then depending on that amount of light it will send a signal to either turn it on or off this LED. So let's see this LDR module first. So this is the LDR module and it has 3 pins. One of them is labeled as DO, which is data output, and the middle one is ground, and the rightmost is VCC or the power pin. So if we go behind, you can see it much clearer. So the DO or the data output will be connected to one of the pin of our Arduino, and for this case I am going to connect it to the pin number 5, and the middle pin, which is the ground pin, will be connected to the ground pin of our Arduino, and the VCC will be connected to the 5-volt pin of our Arduino, which are located here. So these are the ground pin and the 5-volt pin of our Arduino. So then we have this LDR, which is just like the LDR that we have used before. It is just connected to this board, and then we have 2 LED or LDR module. One of them is power LED. So what this power LED will do is it will indicate if we have power to this module or not. So if we have power to this module, then this power LED will be lit up, and this DU LED will work like a indicator. So if this LED is turned on or if this is lit, then this DU LED will be off, and if this LED, our main LED, is off, then this DO LED will be on. So depending on whatever the condition of this LED of our main LED is, the DO LED will be on or off. And this is our sensitivity controller. We can control the sensitivity of this LDR using this regulator. So if I take an screwdriver, and then I can use it to turn this and control the sensitivity of our LDR, as you can see. So we have to test it when we will connect it to the our circuit, and here we have our chip that will be doing all the calculation that we will get from this LDR. So now let's connect this to our circuit. So as I have told you, this DO or the data output will be connected to the pin number 5 of our Arduino. The ground will be the middle one, or the ground will be connected to the ground, and the VCC will be connected to the 5-volt pin of our Arduino. So I have already done all this. So these are the 3 pins. So the red one is the 5-volt, which is connected to the 5-volt pin, and the black one is the ground, the middle one, and it is connected to the ground, and the orange one is the DO pin, which is connected to pin number 5. And for the LED, I have connected a 330 ohm resistor to the positive pin and connected that positive pin to pin number 13 of our Arduino. and the negative pin of our LED is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. So now let's connect this, and now we have to program this module. So let's go to our Arduino IDE. Now we are in our Arduino IDE. So here we have our program to control the LDR module. So the first thing we have done is we have set our our LDR module pin to pin number 5 and the LED pin to pin number 13, which we have connected in our circuit as I have shown you. Then in the void setup part, I have set the pin mode of the LDR to input and the pin mode of LED to output, and I have set up a serial monitor. And if you want, you can actually skip this line also, it's not actually needed, but you can keep this so you can see the sensitivity clearly in the serial monitor. Then in our void loop part, where I have set a condition, which is if the digital read of the LDR pin, so through the digital read we will be reading the LDR pin, and if it is equal to 1, then we will write the LED pin, or we will write the LED pin as high, so it will be on, and if it is not equal to 1, then we will write the LED pin as low, so it will be off. So through this line we can see the sensitivity of the LDR module. So to do that, what we will have written is serial.println. So whatever we are reading from this LDR pin will be printed to the serial monitor, and to read the LDR pin we have written another special function, which is digital read, and then we have given a delay of 100 milliseconds so we can see all the sensitivities. So that's all in our program. Now let's upload this to our Arduino and see how it works. So after we have programmed our module, so now if I show you, both of the LED are on. So as you can see, the power LED is on because we have power on this module, and the DO LED is on because our main LED is off. So just like I have told you. So now if I take the screwdriver and control, and I can use the sensitivity module, as you can see the LED will are turned on, now it's on, and now it is off. So that's how we can control the sensitivity of our LED, of our LDR. And now if I put my hand over the LDR, you will see the LED, our main LED is on, and when I take away my hand, the LED is off. So you can use the regulator to control how much light we need so that our LED is on or off. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.